Assam is one of the northeastern states of India known for its wildlife, vegetations, rivers and wetlands. Just like Deepobil and Magoribil, Satajaan is a wetland equally important for the ecosystem as well as the people residing alongside. It is a wetland situated in the large Lakhimpur district of Assam. It is at a distance of approximately 8 km from the Lakhimpur township. The uniqueness about this wetland is that it hosts enormous bird species every year. Every monsoon, it recharges itself with fresh water as it lies aside the Ranganadi river.
तुझ में एक भी खुद पे